After getting a ton of requests about messy buns and how to keep them messy and how to keep volume in your messy bun, I wanted to start with the basics first. It's super easy to do a messy bun, but I just wanted to go over what type of elastic to use because it's super important to your style and to your hair. So I have a bajillion different ones because I have there's 4 of us girls in this house, so we go through a lot of elastics, which also means I get to buy a lot of different elastics to try because we're constantly losing them. I don't know where they go. I'm assuming a lot of you have like a bunch and then you run out of them and you hold on to like the same 2 elastics forever, or hair ties, or whatever you want to call them. Anyways, so these are the absolute worst. They are like, no, don't use these. Never use these. This just pulls your hair out, the middle part. Your hair always gets stuck in these. You know this. You can feel it. You might as well use a rubber band in your hair, which please, don't use a rubber band in your hair. Also very bad for your hair. Anything that causes like friction or pulls too tight and makes the tension really hard in your head is going to give you more baby hairs that are like broken around your face. And everyone complains about baby hairs because they're the worst. And this is one way that you can keep from getting baby hairs. It really matters what kind of elastic or whatever hair tie you use. So a bajillion different kinds. I have some that are like the consistency of a pantyhose. These ones are awesome, actually. They're super soft. They get nice and tight, but they never like pull on the hair because they're super stretchy. And because the material is soft, it's not creating like this harsh friction against your hair either. So a great option, especially if you're going to do like a half up, all up or half up. But for a half up, like messy bun, it's a little bit smaller than like a big scrunchie. But this is a great option if you see these. I do like these little plastic ones. They're like a little accordion. I like them as long as you're not putting them too tight because these are more firm. I like how stretchy they are. You can do a nice loose ponytail or a bun or whatever you want to do. But if you do these really tight, it's going to do the same thing where you wrap it too many times and it's going to be too much pressure on your hair and you are going to end up getting breakage or just some bad spots in your hair. The other one are these like little girl scrunchies. Love these. They're awesome. The fabric is super soft and also great for half ups because they're a little thinner than like a big scrunchie. They don't really show in your hair, but they definitely don't cause too much tension, which obviously is my biggest point of the day. No tension in your hair, especially if you're sleeping in it. These little ones are awesome. These ones are just like those little tie ones. They're really soft though. They're not the tight ones. This one is like a satin. I can't tell if you can tell how shiny that is, but the satin little stretchies that are super stretchy, awesome. Love these. Don't need to buy these anymore. This one's like stretched out because I can't put it in my hair and I don't really buy them anymore. These don't need to really go in your hair anymore. I mean, there's maybe a place for these ones as long as they're super, super stretched out, but they should be gone. They just hurt your hair. And these are what I see everybody come in with, like broken pieces, these like annoying tight little, they hurt your head. You have like headaches from them. Stop wearing them. The next thing I love is a big scrunchie. I know you can hate them or love them, but if you get one that's nice and big and stretched out like this one, this is awesome to sleep in if you're gonna sleep with your hair up. Some people like to sleep with their hair up just so the ends don't get so messy or tangled while they're sleeping, but this is a great option because it's soft on the outside. We have some velvet ones. I couldn't find them, but the velvet ones on the outside, super soft, won't create friction, don't get very tight. So you'll just have a really loose ponytail or bun or whatever you want to sleep in. These are awesome. Also, when you're doing a messy bun with a scrunchie, it gives you more volume. And there's still ways to like hide the scrunchie pretty much in there, but it uses like the bulk from the scrunchie to go ahead and like give you bulk through your hair. So if you have fine hair, if you can find a scrunchie that isn't too big like that one, it's a great option to actually give you like a little more volume in your bun. This is a good option. This is like an everyday scrunchie. This is what I would probably wear to like work if I were wearing my hair up, because if it shows a little bit, I don't care. It's cute. But still, again, it is not harsh. It's not going to pull on my hair. It's not going to create tension. And then for Nora's hair, I don't use those little elastics. I don't even have them. I was going to show you the ones I don't like, but I honestly don't even have one. So those little plastic ones, she used to go to school and tell her teachers not to put those in her hair, which was never my point. I don't care if they do it. But like on a daily basis with doing her hair, she's 3, she has fine hair, her hair breaks easily. If I put those little like elastic rubber band things in, her hair was like breaking all around here. So I found these. They're good because they're small still for her little hair, and but they're super soft. They're not tight or like that rubber that's in these. They don't have that. They're still just like a little piece of material that's loose, so I can do ponytail, pigtails, braids. I use these for when I do my overnight braids too, because they're little. And also I like the ones that are fuzzy, which I couldn't find those either. But awesome. So we'll start there, and then tomorrow we will talk about how I keep my volume and my mess in my bun. Hope that helped. I will make like a worksheet of this so you guys can see all the different types. And I would love to hear what kind you use. Are there any that you found that you love that I haven't used? I'm sure there's a million more, and I would love to hear what kind you like.